Fixez.com. Today we'll be replacing the front-facing camera in a Samsung Galaxy S6. The tools needed to complete this repair are plastic triangle opening tool, a small Phillips screwdriver, plastic opening tools, nylon spudger, a SIM card ejection tool, a pair of fine-tip curved tweezers, an ice sesamo, and a multi-purpose heat gun. Begin disassembly by shutting down the device and ejecting the SIM tray using a SIM card ejection tool. Use a heat gun or a blow dryer to heat around the edges of the back cover to soften the adhesive beneath. Insert an eye sesamo into the seam between the midframe and the back cover and pry the back cover free. To separate the two halves of the midframe, we will remove the 13 small Phillips screws from around the device. We'll heat the top and the bottom of the LCD. We'll then insert an eye sesamo into the seam between the LCD assembly and the midframe. Once we've developed a small gap, we can switch to a plastic opening tool to pry the two halves apart. Use a nylon spudger to disconnect the battery from the motherboard, and pry the battery from the adhesive holding it to the back of the LCD. We'll use a nylon spudger to pry the front-facing camera from the motherboard. We will take the front-facing camera and reseat it in the LCD assembly and reconnect it to the motherboard. Re-adhere the battery to the back of the LCD and reconnect the battery to the motherboard. We'll insert the bottom half of the LCD assembly with the charging port connection into the midframe first. Then we'll press the LCD assembly into the midframe, and we'll replace all 13 small Phillips screws. Here we've laid new adhesive around the edges of the midframe. Remove the backing strips from the new adhesive. And re-adhere the back cover to the midframe. And finally, reinsert the SIM tray. And there you have it, another successful repair by Fixez.com. All of the parts and tools used today are available at Fixez.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.